And today we are in Anaheim off Roosevelt. We are at a supercharging station with the Cybertruck studios. We are here. This is going to be a behind the scenes backstage pass for Electrify Expo. We are rolling in with Empire custom wraps from Temecula. They asked if they could borrow the Cybertruck because I'm the only one they know that hasn't gotten it wrapped yet. They need a unwrapped Cybertruck to do demos on. So it's early in the morning. We are waiting for them and we're going to head on in to the Electrify Expo event. Now this charging station is currently at 22 cents per kilowatt hour before 8 a.m. So it's the lowest that I've seen in quite some time. The only thing with the supercharging location is these are only 72 kilowatt in speed. So you can see these cabinets are smaller than usual, but there is like a Target and other stores here, a lot of amenities. So if you are charging and you want to hang out somewhere, there's a lot of options. Get your shopping done at Target. So we are currently at 72% state of charge, charging at 73 kilowatt rate. I'm trying or hoping I can charge as high as possible because we are leaving it over the weekend and I gotta leave Sentry mode on for the most part of the weekend. So there's gonna be a lot of foot traffic and a lot of recording. I may just have the Sentry mode turned on like at night and just leave it off during the day because there's just going to be a lot of people anyway. So this is our first time going to Electrify Expo. I've known about the event but never really had any interest in going, but I am curious. I don't know what it's about, but after talking with people at the block party, the pre-party, they said there's going to be a lot of test drive demo drives going. So I'm like, oh. Now I did get a media pass a few weeks ago, and so hopefully we could pick that up today and then go from there. The Cybertruck will just be sitting there with Empire, but on Saturday, the actual day one, I will be taking the Rivian to meet up with the Rivian clubs and hang out for the day and check things out. So yeah, let's see what happens. Backstage, get your backstage passes ready. All right, so the Empire Wraps crew just arrived. Pretty obvious, you could tell. This is their Model 3, official Model 3 ride right here. We got Vampire right here rolling in and a few others on the other side. Have arrived here at the port. There's some Hummers over there, GMC area. I already see a Lucid Gravity right there. I'm so excited to see it again. Hopefully I could test drive it. I heard they have demo drives here, so we'll see if that's one of the vehicles we can test drive. But right now we are just finding out where we need to go. We're here grouped up. All right, so just a quick glimpse. We got the Escalade there. We got the Blazer EV, Chevy area. We have Kia on this side. There was like a Draco tent. Never heard of that vehicle, but I thought it was the Faraday. But yeah, so this is gonna be a pretty cool event. Just walking around, checking things out. I will be covering this. The badge is on the other side of this place, and I don't think I could bring a scooter. At least they discourage bringing a scooter. But yeah, I'm waiting for my ride, and I'm waiting for the car to get moved into the tent. Oh, there's a VW ID.Buzz. Let's go check it out. Looks like there's gonna be Rivian booth here too. Very cool. I wonder if they're gonna have the quad here. All right, I see Frank is here with his quad R1T. There's Frank right there. And the Lightning right there is one of the organizers' Lightning. It's one of the best looking Lightnings I've seen. Probably the best looking, not one of, but check that out. I love the wheel color. I love the combination of the green. It's like Jurassic Park or something, like one of the Jurassic Park Jeeps. I don't know what it is. But man, this guy has even an e-bike at the back. Oh man. So very nice. They are still setting up over here with the tent and stuff. And it's starting to get warm. Oh, it looks like Will and Marty just arrived with the Cyberbeast, and they also brought their Porsche Taycan. Our friends at HaloBlk also have a booth here. They're gonna be hanging out. We're gonna be checking them out once they get set up this weekend. So they're gonna have some really cool products on display. I really love their stuff. So we're gonna be talking with them hopefully this weekend. This is their Model 3 from SEMA with the covers. These covers are really nice looking. All right, so we got EV Auto Style here. Son's Model Y, George's Model X. Is that Caddy with you guys? The Cadillac with you guys? Oh, nice. Oh yeah, it is. There goes George right there.
This one came out 2 Mondays ago.
Oh.
Blacked it out.
This you?
It's all murdered out.
This is you right here?
Yeah.
Nice.
Blacked out the grill, all the chrome, all the handles, blacked out the wheels.
Woo! Very nice.
You guys should put air suspension on that Escalade. Slap it on the ground. Slap it on the ground.
We are in. The tent is up. The Cybertruck is parked. Probably gonna give access to Davey with Empire, so that he could move it around in the weekend. But yeah, there it is, right there. I just saw. I think this is Chemical Guys Cybertruck. It's all polished and stuff. And guess who I ran into? Cobra in the house. You already know.
What's up? I'm about to get one of these.
Yeah? This guy's my Uber today.
Yeah.
I called for an Uber and this guy showed up.
Yeah, I owe him more than one favor. More than one.
Hey, you gotta check out this guy's fridge Cybertruck video talking about road trips. Are we going on one or what, man? We gotta do something.
Man, you know me.
We're gonna look into that. We're gonna look into that.
You. I'm not tripping. I'm ready.
Yeah, we're gonna look into that and see what else we could do. All right, it is Sunday and we are headed back once again to San Pedro at the event. No car, no ride today, so I had to take the train to Long Beach. And I've taken the train before to work, and it's a pretty difficult commute. I mean, it's not difficult, but it just takes a long time to go. So I have to take the Metro Link, and then when I hit Union Station, I gotta go to take the Metro in LA. And this trip so far, we have it's taken us almost 3 hours just to go about 60 miles or so, maybe 70 miles. And yeah, this is Long Beach, downtown Long Beach now. And there's like a promenade and stuff. And I'm debating whether or not I should go eat first before going back to the event, because this is pretty much where I'm going to start to take an Uber, and we'll see what happens. All right, I got the homie right here, Butter. He picked me up here in Long Beach, so shout out to Butter for hooking it up. Shout out to Cobra for picking me up.
Getting me pizza.
Yeah. So we had pizza. We're on our way to the expo, and booyah! He brought the big boy, the Hummer SUV. Check it out. First time I'm gonna be riding in it. So let's go. We're here Sunday at Electrify Expo. I'm here with Butter EV. We're gonna be hanging out. We're gonna be checking more stuff today. Yeah. All right, everyone is packing up. We are about to head on out. Here is Empire all packing up, ready to go. All the cars are starting to move out. But yeah, this was a fun experience. Oh, you know what? I gotta go check out Irvin because he has something for me. Hold on a sec. We are packing up here. Everyone is starting to pack up. People are starting to leave. That's it for this behind the scenes video. If you haven't checked out the actual event video, please do check it out, and other content as well. Shout out to Empire, shout out to Flexi Shield. Hopefully we could do something in the future. I don't know, but if you do want them to do something with me, do comment in the video below, and I'll let them know, like, hey, Empire, hook the boy up. Hey, Flexi Shield, hook the boy up. Otherwise, if you like the video, please like. If you haven't subscribed, please subscribe, and I will see you on the next one.